Welcome to the verdict new VIVO Y22s, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while our device screen with the finger and then tap to the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar widget. We can add here the schedule or the full month view, and just to add the widget, we should hold it for a while and then just drag to our screen. If you want to resize the widget, you should hold it, and after that, we can make it bigger or smaller, as you can see. Just to move widgets on the screen here or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it to the left or to the right side of your screen. If you want, you can also create a new screen with a widget, that's also not a problem. And just to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.